Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. Today I will tell you how to get rid of ants. Number 1. Orange peel. Peel the rid of one of the orange orange you have in your kitchen to repel ants from the area they're flocking to. If you don't have orange but have other citrus fruit that lemons or grapefruits like, this will work as well. Why this work? Most citrus peels contain a toxic acidic oil, D-limonene, that kills ants. By placing these peels where your ants infestation is, you will be masking their trail and scent of the food source they were attracted to and prevent them from coming back. Number 2. Baby powder. Sprinkle a line of talcum powder and the entrance point where you think the ants are coming in. Sprinkle the line will not kill ants but only distract their scent unless the powder is sprinkled directly on top of your ant infestation. Why this work? Talcum powder works in two ways. As a natural ant repellent, the smell alone is strong enough to deter ants from their trails, but it can also suffocate ants when poured directly on top of the citrus signs. Its main ingredient, talc, will slip through ants' tiny breathing holes. Number 3. Ground cinnamon. Cinnamon ants repellent deter ants from the original food source and force them to leave. Use your handily ground cinnamon seasoning or whole stick to lay out in the infested location to watch the ants deter away from the signs and leave the problem area. Why this works? Cinnamon has a strong scent that's very potent to ants. By sprinkling a line around the infestation, this spice will deter ants rather than kill them.